Hey guys, the most trending on internet today is Dalgona coffee and let's see how to make it. Take a bowl and add half cup of sugar to it. Adding 1.5 tablespoon of coffee powder. You can use any coffee powder, but it should be an instant coffee powder. I'm using Nescafe. Half cup of warm water and keep on stirring it. If you have a hand blender, you can achieve this immediately. If not, I've used a fork for stirring it. It took almost 15 to 20 minutes to form a froth. Stir it until it's full of froth, no liquid at all. This should be the consistency. Now take a glass, fill half of it with ice cubes and add half cup of milk to it. Now let's add our coffee froth to this milk. The internet sensational Dalgona coffee is ready. Do try at home and enjoy.